Hey guys, it's Lauren Good. So this is my first YouTube channel and first YouTube video, and I don't know what I'm doing because I'm stupid, and so I did not make an intro to this, but it's okay. So this is a glowy makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it! I'm going to be using Glam and Glow, their illuminator in Nude Glow. Ooh. And I am just going to put that on my hand because I'm going to mix foundation into it. Boop, 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 boop. Not too much. Then I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's foundation. Come on. There we go. Okay. In shade 240 because I like to be a vampire in the winter and I like to be a cute not a vampire in the summer. So I'm also using a Kat Von D 10, I just see a 10 on here, brush for putting on this foundation. Okay, I'm not gonna do that anymore. So I'm just gonna just put it all over. And yeah, I can't really see what I'm doing, I'll be honest with you. Oh, cute. This is a really good foundation. It kind of like dries matte though. That's why I like to put the glowy moisturizer slash thing, illuminator in it. And you can sort of achieve that with highlighters, but then you're just gonna look like I didn't put that much on because I want it to look kind of natural, you know, and this oxidizes, so like you can kind of tell if it's like a ton of makeup on your face. I'm dragging it down to my neck so that it you know, because that's what you're supposed to do, because you watch other YouTube videos for this, you don't watch mine. Anyway, I was planning on using, so I have Fenty Beauty, the concealer and contour, and I was planning on using the concealer, but the foundation looks like it did enough. I mean, I got like a little like stuff right here, so I could cover that up. You know what, I'm just gonna do that for you guys anyway, because we get it, you want it. Anyway, so I'm gonna do that, just cover it up like so, and I'm also gonna go under my eyes now that I think about it, because I kind of got dark circles and we're gonna cover those up, and my chin likes to get red, so we're gonna do that, and right here and all over the face. I'm just kidding. And also right here. So just covering up your blemishes, and so, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender for this. This is the Fenty Beauty Blender because bougie again. It's like also like $10 more because I'm rich. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm just going to use this so that it sort of just blends in with the foundation so it doesn't just sit on my face. And then also bring that up towards your eyelids so that your eyelid is kind of covered. And then also, I didn't say this, but don't put any on your lips. Like, you see those beauty gurus that put all of that foundation on their lips? Do we really want to look like a duck? No, we don't. You want your lips to look fuller. You don't want to cover them up. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Just saying. So then, my contour stick with Fenty Beauty. Mine's in Mocha. Also, my my concealer was Bamboo, by the way, if you're me. Just a little bit, not too much. Like, we don't want to like do all that because we're like, keep in mind this is a natural look, you know. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit on my forehead. I already have an abnormally small forehead, so I do it for bronzing, I guess, so that I don't look dead, I guess. Anyway, Also, I did not blend that good enough. Also, what I'm doing is I'm putting this on, like, I'm kind of raising my eyebrows and just sort of finding my crease and putting this on it so that we get a natural crease, kind of like the rest of the whole entire face. I'm just gonna use a beauty blender for this. And then for this part, I'm just gonna use my finger because the beauty blender is too big to do this. Also, whenever you touch your skin, especially with the products that I'm using, your face just feels like butter, but like a good butter. Like you feel like you could just like it feels really good. Cause, you know, we bougie. We bougie AF. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Just getting like that. You could leave it like this if you really wanted to, but I like to go a little bit more because I'm extra and we want extra, right guys? So I'm just going to use Hoola. It's Benefit's Hoola bronzer in Hoola. And I'm just gonna dab it with like this brush that I got from Real Tech something. I don't know, I don't really care. Anyway, you get it, like round brush. A little bit under. There, oh yeah, that feels so good, yes. Okay, then what we're going to do next is blush. So I got this blush at the airport because I told my mom, I was like, oh, we're in the MAC store, I want a blush. Blah, blah, blah. So this is in Peach oh, Peach Twist. All right, it's a MAC blush. I said the name. It's a MAC blush and it says a sheer tone summer blush. So since it's summer, we're gonna do this. And I'm just using a eco brush for this. So I sort of just go from the top a little bit because it can be kind of harsh at first once you first put it on the brush and then sort of blend it. I like to keep like my blush like kind of up higher because that's where I naturally get rosy, and we want that little like cute sunburn look, not the like burn summer look. We just want a cute. Put a little bit on you. A little bit on the nose because we all love a cute little button nose. But like, do you see how shimmery that is? But like, if I turn back, you can like see the blushy blush. What we can do is highlighter, which is my favorite part. So this is Marc Jacobs highlighter in Spotlight, I think. Yep, Spotlight Glow Stick. It is the best highlighter I think ever. Like there's so many highlighters that are pigmented and so pretty. Anastasia Beverly Hills, but this is a really great like normal highlighter that still is so luminous but also really natural. So I'm gonna take this brush. It's super bougie. It has a snake on it. Yeah, it's from Target. You can also go straight from the stick, but that'll also be so like crazy. Okay. We're gonna go all in. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, queen. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. In my inner corners. And also below the brow bone. Get it all blend together. So for the lips, I'm going to be using Kylie Jenner's Candy K lip liner. There we go. Kylie Jenner's Candy K lip liner. And I'm just gonna do my sort of natural lip. Then I'm gonna go in with this. I got it I got it in a like one of those Sephora points, but it's like it's a Josie Maran, it's a like a it's a lip plumper lipstick in a nude color. It kind of stings though, like, not gonna lie. But over this, I'm gonna put on some Vaseline. And that's a little weird, right? But it, one, keeps your lips hydrated, and two, gives you a glossy look. See? Glowy. Okay, I'm so weird. I so apologize. Now we're gonna go on to mascara. So I like to go in first with like a tiny mascara that I find in like a Sephora bag. This lip stuff is stinging now, because usually they have smaller bristles and stuff that you can like really like maneuver around in your lashes to just sort of coat them before you go in with like some thick mascara. So I'm just gonna go in and just sort of like go under my eyelashes, if that makes sense, and sort of coat them and then go up. And then also my bottom lashes. I know, make a weird, you can't see my lips, but I'm making like a inside of your lash. Oh, frack, that hurt. So now that they're like kind of coated or kind of, ow, oh, a lash like, ow. Should we do Marc Jacobs or should we do the Milk Kush mascara? Actually, I'm just gonna do both, one on one. Now, like, this is what the brush looks like, super pretty. And this is the Kush one, so I'm putting the Kush on this side. No, it doesn't have, well, okay, it has real marijuana in it, but it's like the marijuana that you don't smoke. I think it's like CBD, because I think THC is what gets you high, I think. But this is like the CBD, which has like some really good health benefits and such, and it makes your eyelashes really soft and really just like hydrated and such. Also, I'm gonna do the Marc Jacobs on the other eye, and the Marc Jacobs looks like this. It's really nice. And yeah, this doesn't have marijuana in it. Actually, just kidding, this has the THC, so you can get high off of sniffing this. My camera just totally turned off because my card is full. It's just telling me to hurry up because it hates me. But it's fine, I was done anyway. So, whoa, this is the finished look. It's really glowy and just natural. It literally looks like I barely put on makeup. I just wanted to do something cute. You see like glowy makeup all over everywhere, and I feel like a lot of people just don't know how to really do it. They don't know what products to use, whatever, so I'm trying to do that. Also, I'm just trying to make a YouTube video, and this is an excuse. Also, I don't know if the last like 20 minutes was recorded at all. So we're gonna figure that out. Anyway, I'm gonna make my intro now because I was too scared to do it without makeup, so.